Create your own snake game in Excel VBA. Create worksheets. The description for this video lists all the labels that need to be entered. You can simply copy and paste them. This program only requires 2 worksheets. They are created as follows. Right-click the first Sheets tab and select View Code. This sheet's property name changes to ZSPSP1. The next property on this sheet name changes to Mask. Right-click the second Sheets tab and select View Code. This sheet's property name changes to ZSPSP2. On the second sheet, enter the following information from the video description into the cells. A1 start, A2 result, A3 filled up pointing triangle, up, A4 filled right pointing pointer, right, A5 filled down pointing triangle, down, A6 filled left pointing pointer, left, A7 game over. Snake left the playing field. A8 game over. Snake bit itself. These 2 worksheets were created.